Why your liver deserves more attention than you realize. The liver is one of the most vital and hardworking organs in the human body, yet it is also one of the most overlooked. Every single day, the liver filters your blood, neutralizes harmful substances, processes fats and sugars, regulates hormones, and produces bile that is essential for digestion. It performs all of these functions quietly, without pain, without complaints, and often without sending any clear warning signs until serious damage has already taken place. In medical science, this remarkable ability is known as liver regeneration, and it is considered one of the strongest regenerative capacities of any human organ. Unlike many other organs, the liver has a unique ability to repair and rebuild its own cells when supported properly. In today's modern lifestyle, however, the liver is under constant strain. Processed foods, excessive sugar, refined cooking oils, medications, chronic stress, environmental pollution, and lack of physical activity all place a heavy burden on this vital organ. Over time, this stress contributes to common problems such as fatty liver, sluggish digestion, hormonal imbalance, persistent fatigue, and mental fog. The most dangerous aspect of liver damage is that it often develops silently. Many people feel tired, bloated, or mentally unclear, and assume it is simply part of aging or daily stress. In reality, these symptoms can be early signs that the liver is struggling to keep up with its workload. The encouraging news is that the liver's regenerative ability can be strongly supported through the right nutrients and lifestyle habits. One of the simplest and most effective ways to nourish liver health is through seeds. Although tiny in size, seeds are rich in fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and healthy fats that directly support detoxification and liver cell repair. Why liver health matters for the entire body. The liver functions as the body's primary filtration and processing center. Everything you eat, drink, breathe, or absorb through the skin eventually passes through the liver. Its role is to break down harmful substances, convert nutrients into usable forms, store essential vitamins and minerals, and remove waste through bile and urine. From a biological standpoint, the liver plays a central role in metabolism. It controls blood sugar levels, cholesterol balance, fat storage, and hormone regulation. When the liver becomes overloaded or inefficient, these systems begin to malfunction. This is why poor liver health is closely linked to weight gain, insulin resistance, hormonal disturbances, skin conditions, digestive problems, and even reduced mental clarity. One of the most widespread modern liver conditions is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This occurs when excess fat accumulates inside liver cells, impairing their ability to function properly. It is strongly associated with high sugar intake, processed foods, sedentary lifestyle, and chronic inflammation. What makes liver disorders especially concerning is that they rarely cause pain in the early stages. The liver contains very few pain receptors, which means damage can progress for years without noticeable symptoms. By the time signs appear, significant impairment may already exist. Supporting liver health is therefore not just about detoxification. It is about preserving energy levels, digestion, immunity, brain performance, and long-term overall vitality. How seeds promote liver repair from a scientific viewpoint. From the perspective of nutritional science and hepatology, seeds are exceptionally valuable because they contain exactly what the liver requires to heal and function optimally. Seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps bind waste products and toxins in the digestive tract, preventing them from being reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Seeds also provide healthy fats, particularly omega-3 and monounsaturated fats. These fats reduce inflammation within liver tissue and help repair damaged cell membranes. They also improve insulin sensitivity and prevent excess fat accumulation inside liver cells, which is crucial for people with fatty liver. The antioxidants found in seeds play a protective role by shielding liver cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules known as free radicals damage cellular structures, DNA, and mitochondria. This process is one of the key mechanisms behind liver aging and fatty liver development. Seeds are also abundant in minerals such as zinc, magnesium, selenium, and iron. These minerals are essential for liver enzyme activity. Liver detoxification occurs in two major phases, known as Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification pathways, where harmful compounds are first neutralized and then converted into water-soluble forms for elimination. Both phases rely heavily on enzyme systems that require these minerals as cofactors. In simple terms, seeds assist the liver by binding toxins, lowering inflammation, repairing damaged cells, and supporting the body's natural detox mechanisms. Flax seeds, the liver's natural cleanser. Flax seeds are among the most powerful foods for supporting liver detoxification. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and soluble fiber. Omega-3 fats help reduce inflammation inside liver tissue and enhance fat metabolism, making flax especially beneficial for individuals with fatty liver. Lignans are plant compounds that function as antioxidants and hormone regulators. They help balance estrogen levels and support the liver's role in hormone processing and elimination. The soluble fiber in flax seeds binds waste products and toxins in intestines and helps carry them out of the body. This reduces a toxic load that the liver must handle. Flax seeds also improve bile flow. Bile is essential for removing fat-soluble toxins and excess cholesterol. When bile flow becomes sluggish, toxins accumulate and digestion weakens. For optimal results, flax seeds should be soaked or ground. Whole seeds often pass through the digestive system without releasing their nutrients. 1 tablespoon of soaked or ground flaxseed per day is sufficient to support liver health. They can be added to warm water, yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. Chia seeds, the fat-absorbing seed. Chia seeds are well known for their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like substance inside the digestive system. This gel traps toxins, excess fats, and waste products, helping eliminate them before they reach the liver. Chia seeds are extremely high in soluble fiber. This fiber slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and reduces insulin spikes. Since high insulin is one of the main contributors to fatty liver, blood sugar control is essential for liver repair. Chia seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that protect liver cells from inflammation and oxidative damage. Soaking chia seeds in water for 20 to 30 minutes before consuming them improves digestion and nutrient absorption. 1 tablespoon per day is enough. They can be mixed into lemon water, smoothies, or eaten with yogurt. Pumpkin seeds, supporting liver enzymes with zinc. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, a mineral that plays a critical role in liver enzyme activity. Detoxification reactions inside the liver depend on zinc-based enzymes. Without adequate zinc, the liver cannot efficiently neutralize harmful substances. Pumpkin seeds also provide healthy fats and antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and improve fat metabolism within liver cells. This helps prevent fat accumulation and supports overall liver function. Research shows that zinc deficiency is common in people with liver disorders, particularly fatty liver and hepatitis. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds helps restore zinc levels naturally. Pumpkin seeds can be eaten raw, lightly roasted, or soaked. A small handful each day is enough to support liver health. Sesame seeds, regulating liver fat metabolism. Sesame seeds contain a unique compound called sesame, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from oxidative stress and supports healthy lipid metabolism. Sesame seeds help regulate cholesterol levels and prevent fat buildup inside the liver. They also support detox enzyme production and protect mitochondria, which are responsible for cellular energy production. In traditional medicine systems, sesame seeds have long been used to nourish the liver and kidneys due to their warming and strengthening properties. Sesame seeds can be consumed soaked, roasted, or in the form of tahini. 1 tablespoon per day is sufficient for liver support. Sunflower seeds, vitamin E and glutathione support. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for liver protection. Vitamin E safeguards cell membranes from oxidative damage and reduces inflammation within liver tissue. Vitamin E deficiency has been linked to fatty liver, insulin resistance, and accelerated liver aging. Sunflower seeds offer a natural food-based source of this essential nutrient. They also contain magnesium and selenium, which support liver enzyme activity and nerve function. A small handful of sunflower seeds per day provides enough vitamin E for protective benefits. Sunflower seeds are also rich in selenium, a mineral required for production of glutathione, often referred to as the liver's master antioxidant because it neutralizes toxins and protects liver cells from oxidative damage. Fenugreek seeds, blood sugar, and fatty liver control. Fenugreek seeds are especially beneficial for individuals with fatty liver associated with diabetes or insulin resistance. They improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and reduce fat storage inside liver cells. Fenugreek seeds contain soluble fiber and plant compounds that decrease inflammation and support digestion. They also stimulate bile flow and help control appetite, making them useful for weight management. Soaking fenugreek seeds overnight and drinking the water in the morning is one of the most effective ways to consume them. Half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon daily is sufficient. The best way to use seeds for liver support. For maximum benefit, seeds should be consumed consistently and in forms that are easy to digest. Soaking improves mineral absorption and reduces digestive discomfort, while grinding increases nutrient availability. A simple morning routine may include soaked flax seeds, chia seeds, and fenugreek seeds mixed into warm water. This combination supports digestion, binds toxins, and prepares the liver for daily detox functions. Consistency matters more than quantity. Small daily amounts over weeks and months are far more effective than occasional large doses. Although seeds are extremely nutritious, they are also calorie-dense. For best results, they should replace less healthy fats in the diet rather than simply being added on top of existing meals. This keeps liver support aligned with healthy weight management. What to avoid while healing the liver? Liver repair is not only about adding beneficial foods, but also about removing harmful ones. Excess sugar, refined carbohydrates, fried foods, alcohol, processed oils, and unnecessary medications place additional stress on the liver. Chronic dehydration thickens bile and slows detox processes. Drinking enough water is essential for proper liver function. Stress also plays a significant role. Stress hormones increase inflammation and promote fat storage, directly affecting liver health. How long does liver repair take? The liver has one of the highest regenerative capacities in the human body. Liver cells can begin repairing within days of positive lifestyle changes. Noticeable improvements in liver function may occur within 30 to 90 days when supported with proper nutrition and habits. However, healing requires consistency. The liver responds gradually but steadily. Small daily actions accumulate into powerful long-term protection. Emotional closing, the silent organ that sustains life. The liver is a silent organ. It does not complain. It does not demand attention. It continues to work even when it is damaged, exhausted, and overloaded. Many people only realize the importance of their liver once it begins to fail. Yet the truth is simple. You do not need extreme detox programs, expensive supplements, or harsh cleansing regimens. Sometimes healing starts with something as small and simple as seeds. A tablespoon of flax in the morning, a glass of chia water, a handful of pumpkin seeds, a spoon of sesame, a pinch of fenugreek. These small habits, practiced daily, quietly rebuild one of the most important organs in your body. Your liver may be silent, but your health depends on it every single day. This content is intended for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you have liver disease or any chronic medical condition.